In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix lag and crash errors in Conan Exiles. First thing, go to Steam and then find the game. Right click on it, properties, make sure the launch options is empty. Go to installed files, then select verify files. This will take a few minutes, and after it's done, click browse. Then find the .exe folder for the game. It will say something like Conan Exiles.exe. Right click on it, properties, compatibility. Select these three options, click apply, and then OK. Now try this and see if it works. If it doesn't, then I suggest you to update your graphics card's drivers. So if you have NVIDIA, you can actually go here and go to drivers and update it. Updating it is very likely going to fix your issue. Now after updating, if let's say it still doesn't work, then try to just uninstall the game. Go to manage, uninstall, and then reinstall it, and hopefully this time it works.